Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video about DataAssetFileTools. First, start the project. Now, create a data asset file. You can use the test struct included with the project. The test struct here includes lots of commonly used types. And create two data asset files for the input. Alright, the test files are now created. Now, let's start setting up the data. Here, we create a new MPC file. You can also change the code here to other types for testing. Alright, the test data is now ready. The export directory here is setting the code. Now, export each file one by one. You can also click the notification window to open the JSON folder. Review the JSON file. Create a new file for import. Import the JSON to refresh the data. In the same way, just do the same for the other two files. Now, let's select multiple files for batch export. You can use a text comparison tool to see if there are any mistakes. Create new test files. Rename the JSON files. You just export it to match the new test files. Drag these new JSON files into the content. The data of files with the same name has been refreshed. Okay, these are the main features. Now, let's look at the bonus feature. Add a multi-level folder test. Create additional test files. Copy the newly created test files into each of the new directories. In the same way, create matching new folders inside the JSON folder. Copy the exported JSON files so they match the new test files names. Then, copy them into all the new folders. Finally, drag them all in. All the JSON files you drag in will automatically update. The UE files with the same name in the same location. So, that's all the features.